Hi guys, my name is Alicia and I am a leasing consultant from the Pines of Clover Lane. I am going to show you what an espresso floor plan looks like. When you first walk in, you have a coat closet here. Espressos are 651 square feet. They are a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment. Very spacious living room here, as you see. This one is a non-renovated classic style. Amazing wood view for this one. Spacious balcony, huge door wall, which brings in a lot of natural lighting as well. And you have a really spacious storage closet in the espresso as well. I mean, who doesn't like an extra storage? Well, let me take you to the kitchen. So here is the dining area. One lovely thing about the espresso floor plan is there are 3 windows that surround the dining area, which helps bring in a lot of natural lighting as well. Then you also have a really nice sized pantry. For the kitchen, for the classic style, you have cherry wood cabinets and white appliances. And you also have your bathroom here. Now, for the espresso floor plan, it actually has double entry into the bathroom. So you have a door from your hallway. Then you also have a door going to the bathroom from your bedroom, which is really nice. And this is your bedroom for the espresso. Very spacious. It is definitely big enough to put a king-size bed and still have plenty of room. And then, of course, you have a very nice walk-in closet. Well, thank you for watching and touring with me this beautiful classic style espresso home. We do have many more to come, so definitely come and inquire today.